Yo guys, ngayon maglalaro tayo ng Night Knocks. Alright? So, tignan nyo yung nasa pinto. Ayun naman. Natatakot ba kayo? Hindi. We don't scare like that, man. Let's go. Use headset and turn off the lights for the better experience. Okay. You just move into your new apartments. Unpacking and settling in. There's a list of tasks to complete before the place truly feels like home. Space to continue. Woo! Let's go! Tab. What? Tab. Clean the house. Ano to? Place the books. Fix the light. Do the laundry. Prepare food. Take a shower and sleep. So, ganito. What? Wait lang. Clean the house, diba? So, yeah. We have to pick this. Kunin ko to. And let's clean house. Oh my god. Ang creepy, man. Look at those picture. Where's the trash? Ayun. Q to throw. Oh, yun. Ganun lang pala. Basic. Ito na guys, shoot ko. Woo! 3 points! Ha! What a game. Q. 3 points for the 3, Jordan! Pasok. Uy, go ako. Pasok. Nice. Isa pa, isa pa. Shoot pa natin. Dito tayo, sa malayo. 3 point! Ay! Gagi! Ay! Kitang ina. Hindi pumasok. Ay. Alright.
FBI, open up!
Who the fuck is that? Prepared na guys. Alright. Who's this fucker? Hey there, new guy. Thought I'd come to say hello. You just moving, right? Yeah, what do you need? Nothing urgent. Just being neighborly. I like to check out the new people. Oh. Okay. Sure. I just hey hi before you know. For what? Forget it. See you around. What? Creepy. Last one. Last one. Alright. Sino na naman yan? Fix the light. Fuck, man. Creepy, man. Ang ina. What do you want, man? Quick question. Have you ever counted the door in your What? Ba't ko bibilangin, man? No. Why would I? No reason, just sometimes people forget how many there are. My god. Unless my apartment is shifting around, I think I'm good. That'd be crazy, huh? Right. Just double check, okay? Fucking hell, man. It's creepy as fuck. Fix the light. Let's go. Hold E. Woo! Easy. Let's just close this just in case. So fucking creepy, man. Do the laundry. Ay. Saan laundry? Ay, number. Dito. Iisa na pala. Fuck. Alright. Let's just wait, guys. Do the laundry. Prepare food. Take a shower. Sleep. What the hell, man? Ano problema na itong lalaki na to? Do you ever dream yourself, but it's not really you? Okay, seriously, pre. What is your deal, man? No deal, just curiosity. Have you ever
you do you want you can
No deal, just curiosity. Have you ever felt like you aren't you? What the fuck you saying, man? Are you high or something, man? Hi, no, just more aware than most people. Well, yeah, just be aware somewhere else. Oh well, just making sure to stay aware. Blah blah blah. Fucking. Putang ina. Shit. Doon na yung nig, ano? Doon na si Nig. Si Nigger. Kagi. Racist ako. Prepare food. Let's go, prepare food. What? Oh, fuck. Prepare food. Wait, this is confusing, man. Ah, okay. Tang ina. Alright. Then, let's chop these. Fuck, man. Hindi ko na i-open yan. Hindi ko i-open yan, guys. F drop. Where's my knife? F drop. Tangina. Fuck, man. Gago si Case O, man. Tangina. Smells good in there. What you're cooking? Steak. Oh, nice. Can I have some? Some, just a little bit. Have you eaten all day? Not my problem. All right, I just go grab something else then. What the fuck? Balaw na si Case O, man. Nangihingi si Case O sa akin ng pagkain. No! Shit. R, rotate. Oh, whoop. Alright. We're cooking, and we're cooking. Where's the steak? Oh. Eat. I hold space to eat. Okay. Mmm. 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 Fucking hell. Take a shower and sleep. Now, ano na ngayon? Same meal, same routine. Doesn't it feel off? Wait, who's this? Someone who seems what you don't see. What? A loop you're trapped in. What loop? That one that always ends the same way. You will remember when it's too late. Bro, the fuck? Go to the bathroom. Let's go. Man, feel jump scared, man. This is it. This is it. Sleep. Right, let's go sleep, guys. Putang ina, man. Tang inang negro. Nigo! Huh? Nigo! I'm going to sleep now. Huh? Sleep. Fuck, no. Fuck. Okay. Nonchalant. No feelings, guys. No fear shit. Just be shit, die, guys. Nonchalant. Now what? Sa likod ko? Ano? Sa likod ko? Show yourself, nigga. Sabi niya, hindi tiniga eh. Ina mo. Giga. Fucking negros. Ay. You went straight to bed without checking the house and your neighbor attacked you in your sleep. It was to realize the danger you were in. Gagi, bad ending nakuha natin ah. One good. Kung hindi natin binuksan yung mga nagtatanong doon siguro, I think may chance tayo magka one good siguro. Tarang ginawa lang natin yung ano natin, yung task, like, right? Next thing, try nga natin. Right, let's go. Lock in tayo. Let's go. Pick this. We don't, shit. Di natin open yung ano, yung pinto. Gawin lang natin tong task natin. Speedrun. Negro. Yeah, ating bubuksan yung mga kumakatok dyan. Let's do our task. Tanginang negro yun. Nakapasok pa. Lagi mo tingnan pa ako atakihin. Tang. Asok. Oh my God. Place the book. What? Kailangan talaga i-open? Open the door? Fuck. Let's go. Fuck. Let's go fix this. So, check ko lahat ng ano. So, what's the point? Like... It's not fucking man! Ano? Mo, negra? So scary. I prepared, guys. Ano? Huh? Gagawin ko, harangan ko. Check the room. Ano? You caught the Uber but without a weapon or something sharp to kill him. He overpowered you and ended your life. Sabi ni, yun yung butato. Ina. Sabi din yung kutsilyo. Hindi ko din alamin. Ah! I need to fucking beat this, guys. Kailangan ko makuha yung good ending. Another one. Fuck. You checked the house before sleeping and you found your neighbor hiding in the bathroom. You quickly stabbed him, killing him instantly and saving yourself. Fuck you. Yes! I got the good ending. Yes! Huh? All the time, these Negroes giving us a sign that dang. Gandang laro, guys. Shit. Recommended to you guys to play. Yeah. So, yeah, overall, 10 over 10. Whew. The best. What a game tonight, guys. So, by the way, hit the subscribe and hit the like, and see you guys in my next video. Bye. Ting.